Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to implement and test a REST API directly inside Ignition using the web dev module. We'll cover both directions, reading data out of Ignition and writing data into Ignition, using simple tags as our example. By the end of this video, you'll see a live, working REST API running entirely inside the Ignition gateway with no external servers involved. Before we jump in, let's quickly cover what we're testing. We're going to expose two tags. One tag that an external system can read from Ignition, one tag that an external system can write to Ignition. This will prove that Ignition can act as a full REST server, something other systems can call directly using standard HTTP requests like GET and POST. First, let's make sure the web dev module is actually installed and running. Here in the Gateway Config page, under Modules, I can see web dev listed, and its status shows active. This module is what allows Ignition to host custom REST endpoints. Without it, none of what we're about to build would work. Next, let's set up two simple tags to work with. I've created a folder called REST Test with two memory tags inside. Read value, this represents data Ignition will expose to the outside world. Write value, this represents data an external system will send into Ignition. Now let's build the actual API endpoint. I'll click Web Dev, then choose Python Resource. This is important. Python Resource is what lets us write actual logic. The other options, like File or Text Resource, are just for serving static content. I'll name this resource REST Test. Here's the key part a lot of people miss. Just writing a function isn't enough. I need to select doGet from the HTTP method dropdown and check Enabled. Otherwise, this endpoint will simply never respond. Here's our doGet function. This function runs every time someone sends a GET request to our endpoint. It reads the current value of our read value tag and sends it back as JSON. Now, let's add the write side. Notice we're using request.post data. Ignition automatically parses incoming JSON for us, so we don't need to manually decode anything. Let's test our read endpoint. And there it is, a JSON response showing our tag's current value, straight from Ignition. Now, let's test writing a value in. And if I check our write value tag in Designer, there it is. It's updated to 42. Confirming our POST request successfully wrote data into Ignition. This is the simplest, most direct way to expose Ignition data externally, but it does require the web dev module, which may need a paid license depending on your Ignition setup. In the next video, we'll build the exact same functionality without web dev at all, using a lightweight external bridge instead. See you there.